Every year in America, college students throw away more than $3 billion in the form of failed and dropped classes. Even you, watching right now, probably have either dropped or failed a class or two. You research your class and your professor, and you register for it. Then, work, life, and everything else that can go wrong actually does. Now you're out $300, $500, even $1,000 plus the cost of books. And you get put behind the economic line by 4 months or more. The solution to this nightmare that most of us college students face is collegestudyclubs.com. Even with the tremendous amount of support your college or university provides, it is still nearly impossible to use them in your favor. College and university help comes around the time that you are either at work or in class. But in reality, you do your homework late at night and early in the morning, or on the weekend. As a club member of collegestudyclubs.com, you have the help you need at the time you need it to get your homework done. With one click, you can get a tutor or interact with other club members in your class. Remember, for some classes, homework is up to 55% of your grade. During midterms and finals, when non-collegestudyclubs.com members are struggling with study guides or trying to find a spot at the library or student union, you will be helped in your own comfort zone at a time convenient to you. Don't waste any more time. The minute you register your class, register it in collegestudyclubs.com. collegestudyclubs.com. Study with us. Study better.